JTO USDT Overview. Trading Style, Spot. Timeframe, Mid-term. Margin Mode, Isolated. Signal Type, Swing Trade. Target Timeframe, 1 month between Take Profit, TP, points. Entry Levels, 2.6755 to 3.0000. Take Profit Targets. Target 1, 3.6293. Target 2, 4.2939. Target 3, 4.9219. Target 4, 5.6521. Target 5, 6.3805. Stop Level, 1.6939. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Trade with me. Disclaimer. This analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades.